Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package, mobile office package, bed utility, and the tow and haul package. Taking a look at the back here, we got a tow hitch, we got rear park sensing, a dual exhaust, we got a backup camera with a nice Pro Access tailgate, which allows you to have easier access to your bed. Got some outlets, lights, hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. You even got some measurements here to make your life easier. And it is powered as well. So let's just say you're wanting to lift up your gate, but your hands are full. All you have to do is knee it up, and it will go up automatically. We have mud flaps on the rear, a nice black gripped running board with mud flaps on the front, side view camera, blind spot, turn light indicated, and spotlight. And moving to the front here, we do get front park sensing with recovery hooks, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space. We have floor mats, carpet interior, flat fold storage system, cup holders, 2 USB-Cs, rear vents, and 120 volt. And of course you can fold this out for cup holders and arm space, and we do get a split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, B&O sound system, power door mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, auto stop auto start, lights, spotlights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 31 kilometers. We do have a heated leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have My View, trip and feel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select with your speeds. It is collapsible, storage, cup holders, wireless charging pad with some outlets down there, and it does close. You do get your leather up center console. That does turn into an interior work surface. You can put your food here, laptop, totally up to you. You do get your normal storage underneath as well. Rear locking diff with your drive modes, 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, Pro Trailer Assist, your engine start stop, heated and cooled front seats with dual climate, 12 volt and 120, storage above and below, storage right here. We do get a nice powered rear window opener, as well as our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. Looking here, we do get a 360 view of the vehicle where you can change the camera angles, hazards, and traction. Park assist, which is just your park sensing, and we do get Ford's BLUECRUISE, which is Ford's highway self-driving. Looking here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. We got our phone controls, navigation, fave apps, messaging, email, zone lighting, power tailgate, all that jazz. Apps in general, or any apps you have downloaded, will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and you do get YouTube as well, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA97810, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.